Hello everyone, Namaskar Bondura. Welcome to my channel, The Bong English, a YouTube channel for learning English. From today, I am starting a free spoken English class for all of you. So today is the day 1 lecture. Do you really want to speak in English fluently within 15 days? So follow my video. I am sure this video would help you a lot. In today's world, English speaking is very important for job interview or for the development of your personality. English is very needed. I know in the beginning it's very difficult to speak in English because it is not your first language. Your first language is perhaps Bangla, Hindi, Urdu, or Tamil, but you can learn and speak in English easily. Learn day by day with me. I'll be teaching you each and everything. Be confident, yes, that you can speak in English, which is just a language. I am sure that you can speak in English if you follow me, the Bong English. Without further delay, let's start. How to learn English? The first thing that you need to do is practice. Yes, you have to practice regularly to learn English. English learning is a process. It is not one day process or 2 day process or 1 week process. Nobody can learn English so quickly. It is a process each and everybody goes through. I am also still learning English. The more you speak, the more you read, the more you know English, so that you can learn English and develop your fluency of talking in English. There are some steps to learn English. The first step is reading. The second step is speaking. And the third and the final step is listening. These three steps are very important to learn English. I'll be describing these three steps shortly. To become a fluent English speaker, you have to follow these three steps: reading, speaking, and listening. Let's begin the first step. Yes, you have to read English. You can read any books in English, or you can read daily newspapers in English, or any article in English. I know nobody wants to read, right? But read at least 2 paragraphs. Please, I request you to read at least 2 paragraphs. Yes, know at least 2 new words daily. It's a daily routine that you have to follow to learn English. Write down the words and their meanings. You have to practice. This is the one and only method to learn English and know regularly. First, download a dictionary on your mobile phone or search on Google the new words, then write down their meanings. If you know at least 2 words in a day, you can learn 7 within 7 days 14 new words, right? So that you can apply those new words within a sentence. So this is how you need to learn English. There is no other method. Let me tell you honestly. Let's read a passage together. You have to read with me. This is a reading passage which I have made for you. You have to read with me. Read once at least, or you can read twice, thrice, many times you like. Read with me. If COVID 19 is spreading in your community, stay safe by taking some simple precautions such as physical distancing, wearing a mask, keeping rooms well ventilated, avoiding crowds, cleaning your hands, and coughing into a bent elbow or tissue. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others to reduce your risk of infection. when they cough, sneeze, or speak. Maintain an even greater distance between yourself and others when indoors. The farther away, the better. Make wearing a mask a normal part of being around other people. So you have to read in this way. So I hope you have read with me. Please read if you haven't read with me, because reading English would help you immensely to develop your fluency of talking in English. And if you do not know the meanings of these words, spreading, precautions, crowd, ventilated, I have told you to search on Google or to search on your application dictionary so that you can know the meanings of these words. You have to know at least 2 words daily. Please remember this. The next step, speaking. Yes, speak with yourself. The first step is speak with yourself at least for 5 minutes. This is the practice that you have to do regularly. Yes, at least speak for 5 minutes. Go to the in front of the mirror. I am sure everybody has mirror, right? Look at yourself. Then introduce yourself. I'll be making separate another video how to introduce yourself. But start your practice from today. You can say something like this. Hello everyone. I am Orindo Banerjee. I live in Kolkata. I am a teacher in English. My hobby is playing cricket and watching movies. My father's name is Madan Banerjee. He is also a teacher. So this is how you need to speak with yourself. If you practice daily for 5 minutes, if you speak in English for 5 minutes, you can see a sea changes that are going to come within you. I am sure practice it daily. It's a very good method. I know you may stammer or get fear in the beginning, but this is very normal. Everybody faces these problems. But after 7 days, if you practice, you can speak in English. I can guarantee you. The only method is practice. Remember this. Then the next step, speak with your friend who understands English and also wants to learn English. Make a conversation. You have to make conversation with your friend. You can call him or her. This is a conversation that I have made for you. You can do in this way. Perhaps you ask your friend, "Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?" Your friend may say, "Hello" or "Hi, I'm good. What's about you?" Then you have to answer in this way. "I am fine too." Just add "to" TOO with "I am fine." It sounds good. If your friend asks you this, "How are you?" you have to answer this, "I am good. What's about you?" Then the next conversation goes on. "What are you doing?" Your friend may ask. Your friend may answer, "I am walking at home, reading a book, or playing mobile games, or I am watching a movie." "Where are you from?" "I live in Kolkata." "I live in Kolkata." You have to put "in" before Kolkata. If this place is a very small place, you have to place "at", or you can place even "in" if you like. So your answer would be, "I am from Bangladesh. It's nice to talking to you." Your friend answers, "Same here. Thanks. Thank you." Or "Thank you very much." So you can say any one out of these three: thanks, thank you, or thank you very much. So this is how you have to make conversation with your friend. If you know the friend, it is absolutely fine. If you do not know the friend, you may ask, or you make this conversation on Facebook, right? So this is how you have to make conversation in English. Please do not use any other language. If you want to learn English, you have to speak in English to learn English, right? Let's go to the third step and the very important step. Listening to good English is very important to learn English. Yes, you have to listen to good English to learn English, because if you do not listen to good English, how could you learn English? I suggest you to listen to my videos, which would help you to learn English systematically. Listen first of all very, very carefully. Yes, you have to listen to my videos, the audio lectures, very, very carefully. Follow the sentence construction, that how I am making sentences. I'll be making video on how to make a sentence, the subject, the verb and the object, the rest part of a sentence, right? I'll be making separate video, don't worry. I'll be also teaching you grammar, the past, present and the future. I'll be teaching you each and everything. So this is the final step, listening. You have to listen to me, you have to listen to good English, right? So this is the end of the first day of spoken English course. Thank you very, very much for watching. Please share with your friends who are interested in learning English. So learn with me, speak with me, the Bong English. See you on my next video. Till then, goodbye.